Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Signal Cast, the place where we uncover the truths behind the trends shaping our generation. I am your host, and today we are diving into a topic that touches almost everyone listening right now: the false body goals promoted by influencers and celebrities. We live in an age where every scroll, every swipe, and every like exposes us to the images of seemingly perfect people: flat stomach, flawless skin, sculpted muscles, and glowing faces. And naturally, we start to wonder, why don't I look like that? But here's the truth: those images are not real. They are built, engineered, and curated with more effort, money, and technology than most of us realize. And comparing yourself to them is like comparing a selfie on your phone to a Hollywood movie poster. Let's talk about why these false body goals are damaging this generation and how you can break free from the comparison trap. Have you ever wondered what it actually takes to create one influencer photo that gets thousands of likes? It's not just a quick snap on an iPhone. Behind many of these effortless pictures, there is an entire production. High-tech cameras that cost thousands of dollars, professional lightings that makes skin look smoother and muscles pop, a glam squad, makeup artist, hairstylist, and sometimes even wardrobe specialist. All of that just for one photo. And then, after the picture is taken, the editing begins. Filters, Photoshop, retouching apps, slimming waist, sharpening jawlines, brightening eyes, smoothing skin. By the time that image hits your feed, it's a completely different version of reality. And here's the kicker: these curated posts are not just for fun, they are marketing tools. Influencers and celebrities earn money, sometimes huge money, from that single post. Every flawless image is designed to sell you something: a protein shake, a fitness app, a skincare routine, or simply the idea that if you buy what they are selling, you can look like them. So, next time you catch yourself comparing your casual mirror selfie to their glamorous edited post, pause. Remember that what you are seeing is not just an image, it's a business strategy. Now, let's talk about what it does to us, especially Gen Z and young adults. This generation is growing up in a digital mirror. Every day, they are bombarded with thousands of idealized images, and research shows that these constant exposure fuels body dissatisfaction, eating disorders, anxiety, and depression. Instead of simply living life, people are now performing for the camera. Everyday moments, hanging out with friends, going to the gym, even eating lunch can become opportunities to capture a perfect shot. And if you don't fit that aesthetic, you feel left out, like you are not measuring up. But here's something we don't talk about enough: your goals might not even revolve around your appearance at all. Maybe your dream is to become a doctor, a teacher, an entrepreneur, an artist, or a parent. Maybe you want to travel, write a book, start a business, or change the world. Those influencers, their job is their body, their brand, and their image. They spend hours curating it because that's how they make their money. But your life, your goals, they might be so much bigger than just chasing a false glow online. And that's the danger of false body goals. They distract us from our own unique paths. They convince us that unless we look a certain way, we are not enough. But what if being enough has nothing to do with how you look in a selfie? Let's pull back the curtain. Celebrities And influencers have resources most of us can't even imagine. They have chefs preparing calories controlled meal, trainers designing workout plans, dermatologists, cosmetic surgeons, and yes, digital editors who retouch every inch of their public image. Imagine competing with someone who has entire army making them look flawless and then still feeling bad because your selfie doesn't measure up. It's unfair, it's unrealistic, and it's toxic. The reality is, nobody looks like their Instagram feed in real life, not even the influencers themselves. They don't wake up with a perfect contour, glowing skin, and sculpted abs. They are human, they have insecurities, they have bad angles, and they definitely don't live in their filtered images. Once you realize that, you start to take your power back. You stop blaming yourself for not fitting into a mold that doesn't even exist. So here's the big takeaway: beauty is not about chasing someone else's version of perfection, it's about living authentically. Your worth doesn't come from lighting, makeup, filters, fillers, or followers. It comes from who you are, what you stand for, and what you contribute to the world and your family. Instead of asking, why don't I look like them? Try asking, what are my goals? What do I want to do with my life? And what I want my life to be about? Because maybe your dream is not to have a millions likes on Instagram. Maybe it's to start a movement, a very little one, or build something meaningful, or simply just be happy, healthy, and confident in your own skin, or just to be there for your loved ones. So, the next time you see that flawless photo online, remember it's not reality, it's a performance, a business, and an illusion built on cameras, lights, makeups, editing, and money. And you don't need any of that to be valuable. Your path, your goal, your authenticity, those are your real goal. Don't waste your life comparing yourself to someone else's highlight reel. Build your own story. Live for your goals, not theirs. Thanks for tuning into the Signal Cast. Stay real, stay kind to yourself, and remember perfection is not the goal, authenticity is. I'll catch you in the next episode.